Stress is a part of life. But it's essential to manage it properly to maintain good health. In this video, we'll explore healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga. Firstly, let's discuss meditation. Meditation is a simple yet effective way to reduce stress. It helps you focus your mind and achieve a sense of calmness. You can practice meditation anywhere, anytime, and it's easy to do. Just find a quiet place, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale deeply and let go of any thoughts that come to your mind. Practicing meditation for even just a few minutes a day can help you feel more relaxed and focused. Another way to manage stress is through deep breathing. When we're stressed, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. Deep breathing is an effective way to counteract this response and promote relaxation. To practice deep breathing, find a comfortable position and inhale deeply through your nose. Hold your breath for a few seconds and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process several times and you'll feel more relaxed and calm. Lastly, let's talk about yoga. Yoga is a combination of breathing techniques, physical postures, and meditation. It's an effective way to reduce stress, improve flexibility, and strengthen your body. You don't have to be an expert to practice yoga, and it's accessible to people of all fitness levels. By practicing yoga regularly, you can reduce stress and promote overall health and well-being. In conclusion, managing stress is essential for maintaining good health. In this video, we discussed healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga. By practicing these techniques regularly, you can reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it's essential to manage it properly to maintain good health. So, take some time for yourself, and find a way to manage your stress today.